You see my videos? Okay. Good always. I can't complain. Life is good. I usually don't give my hand to cops because I don't trust them. I usually don't give my hand to cops because I don't trust them. Thanks, everyone. We're always out here filming, everyone. Like it. Next time, everyone. Like it. Damn, that's crazy. My videos are going everywhere. Thank you, everybody, for your support, though. I can't thank you more, everyone. See, there's some cool cops, everyone. Like that cop I need over there. It's good, everyone. This one, he sees his videos, everyone. This one is good, too, everyone. So they're good. Just need the thing. Just need the thing. Just need the thing. Just need the thing. I like your style. Like today, you see, too hot.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's hot today.
Do you put on lotion, my mask, the sunscreen?
Always.
Yeah, you gotta keep that color.
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you drink to refreshing yourself? I wanted to ask that question.
What's that?
What do you buy to refreshing yourself?
What do you mean?
Like, you know, right now since it's hot, what do you buy to drink?
Water.
Water?
Ice cold water.
You don't get Starbucks or?
Yeah, I get coffee. I have coffee.
Oh, okay.
What's up, sir? How are you?
But I still want to see you anchor someone. And the other one, I missed it because you already had him in.
You were too late.
I don't like those things because only it fits criminals to be in those shackles. Now, even they say even to be playing around like so putting myself on, it's bringing bad luck to you. People say it's bad luck. Yeah, because those things.
They catch me on the next one then.
Yeah.
Can't be late. Can't be late.
But you put in a lot of work. Until what time are you off? No? I want to give you props for all the work you put in. It's a long shift. Yeah. But I appreciate your work. I like your style. Both of you. All right, have a good one. You too.